Is your car battery not working? Do this before you replace it and save money. Before you spend money on a new car battery, stop. Most people throw away batteries that can still work, and I'm going to show you why. A lot of car batteries die early because people assume they are completely dead. But in many cases, the problem is something like low charge or poor connection. First, check the battery terminals. If they are dirty or loose, your car may not start even if the battery is fine. Then test the voltage if you have a multimeter. In many cases, people replace batteries that could have been recovered or recharged. I actually put together a simple step-by-step guide that shows exactly how to test and possibly restore a weak car battery before replacing it. If you want it, the guide is in the description. It's beginner friendly and shows everything clearly. I've also stated in the guide step by step how you can revive the dead battery. Yes, the dead battery. And what you must do is to just follow the steps. Follow the old procedures I've stated there.